Your home deserves the finest care. At Blunt's Lawn Care Solutions, we bring expert craftsmanship to every blade of grass. From meticulous mowing to custom landscape design, we create the outdoor space you've always envisioned. Blunt's Lawn Care Solutions, where your perfect lawn begins.